Clothes can tear anywhere.
Oh no!
But bulky machines don't sew on the go. And you gotta spend to get a tailor to mend. Well, not anymore. Introducing Secure Stitch, the brilliant liquid sewing solution that repairs tears in a flash, mends holes, and hems clothes instantly. Incredible. Just squeeze and mend with ease for a super strong bond that lasts. It's like a sewing machine in a bottle. Secure Stitch's secret is its nanobond polymer, which weaves together fibers for a microscopic permanent bond. Secure Stitch comes with an on-the-go applicator, perfect for emergency repairs. Why hem pants with a needle and thread? Mend them faster using Secure Stitch instead. We put Secure Stitch to the ultimate test. Look at this hole, but just squeeze and mend with ease. Now, that wetsuit can take high-speed wind, flips and tricks, splashing water, no problem. That bond won't break. Amazing! Repair torn upholstery, fast. Perfect for crafting. Safe on any material. Dries clear. Washer and dryer proof. Save time, money, and clothes.